Good morning. We had some thunderstorms yesterday afternoon, so it's kind of cooled off a little bit today. It's actually very nice this morning. So what have you guys been up to? Doing a lot of flying? Having adventures? Just enjoying the summer? Chillaxing, as my daughter would say? Well, today we've got a flight. Shouldn't be too hard. Fly the Citation XL to Las Vegas, drop off, deadhead back. Not too complicated, but we do have one little issue. We have to check it out ahead of time. These aircraft, these jets, have limitations on temperature ranges that can operate within, which is pretty hot. But if you get to that temperature, your performance charts have no data for you. You can't go. You're pretty much stuck. You're grounded. Some of the takeoff considerations that we have to make when the temperatures get high is the fact that those high temperatures, they'll increase our landing distance, increase dramatically our takeoff distance, the takeoff roll. It'll reduce our climb performance, reduce our single engine performance. It could possibly limit our cruise altitude. All sorts of things to take into consideration here. So today in Las Vegas, the high is supposed to be 113. That's about 45 degrees Celsius. We use Celsius for our performance. Our performance chart topped out at 50. So we're good, but it's hot. It's very hot coming out of there. Tomorrow, we've got another flight. Leaves in the morning. We'll be heading down to Ocean Reef, spending the night and coming back. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. See you guys at the airport. Got a video coming out this morning at 8 a.m. Today's Monday, so definitely got a video coming out. Do you guys like it? Subscribe. I appreciate that. That kind of just helps propel the channel along. It's like the fuel that the channel burns on. Yesterday I messed around with Facebook live streaming a little bit on my personal Facebook channel. And I had attempted YouTube before, live streaming. Boy, it was complicated. You had to download some software. That software was complicated. It was a mess. So I saw a live stream on Facebook. I thought, oh, hey, look into that. I didn't know how to do it. My wife in 5 seconds showed me how to do it, and I was like live. It was like bam, instantaneous. I couldn't believe how easy that was. Right now it's 33 degrees C in Las Vegas. It is warming up, going up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Right now we're good. Once it goes higher, we'll be good. We've got a chart in the airplane we check, make sure we're good for takeoff and landing there. But like I said, unless it gets hotter, we're going to be okay. Just waiting for the passengers now. Hey, Howard said there's a alive. Knocked on the deck. VR.
Okay.
get pretty serious about it. Which I think it'll be a right turn off. Yep. All right, we got some sandwiches from the deli inside the FBO. We've taken all 500 gallons and we're heading right back out. This is a quick turn. 3 hours back to St. Louis. Mike's already done an after landing inspection, but I'm going to walk around again just to double check. All looks good. I'm going to go ahead and start that APU up, get started. 40 degrees C, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's a dry heat, isn't that what they say? So are convection ovens. Clear for takeoff, 7 left. Here we go. Nobody coming from left and right. her to get out there and do some exciting things now?
Oh God. Don't pedal.
That is great. Yeah, don't pedal.